Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick back, and it is day 21 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn organized for the upcoming year. So today's idea comes to us from, let me make sure I get it right, agirlinagluegun.com, which I think is a great name for her blog site. So I'm loving the tidy aspect of this. I mean, how perfect would it be just to sit like completely surrounded on all sides? I love this idea. I love how tidy it looks. I love that everything is just right where she needs it to be. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this idea. Is this a place where you'd like to live and spend all of your time? Or is it a little too much yarn for your taste? Nothing wrong with that if that's the case. Believe me, it's possible to have too much. All right, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it, and I will see you tomorrow with day 22. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.